There's a new business in San Diego called San Diego Ink Studio that's gaining popularity for its specialized services in permanent makeup and scalp micropigmentation.
The owner, Johanna Gutierrez, is highly skilled and brings a wealth of knowledge and expertise to the studio. She offers services like hairline restoration, ombre brows, and lip blush.
One of the interesting things about this studio is their scalp micropigmentation procedure. It's a non-surgical solution for both men and women experiencing hair thinning or loss. Johanna's attention to detail ensures long-lasting results.
Let's not forget about their permanent makeup services. They use modern techniques to enhance natural beauty seamlessly. For example, they offer lip blushing, a semi-permanent tattoo that gives your lips a fuller and more defined look.
This is especially beneficial for people in professions like fitness and healthcare who need smudge-proof and consistent beauty throughout the day. Plus, the studio prioritizes client satisfaction and offers free consultations.
After the treatments, clients receive detailed aftercare instructions and ongoing support to ensure they're happy with the results. The studio prides itself on using high-quality products and is conveniently located in the Mission Valley shopping mall.
It seems like clients are really loving their experience at San Diego Ink Studio. They've received glowing reviews that highlight Johanna's expertise and the transformative impact of her treatments.
So if you're in San Diego and looking for specialized beauty services, definitely check out San Diego Ink Studio.
That's it for today.